Sunshine, sea breeze, and a whole lot of sparkle. This is Benidorm, like you've never seen it before. I'm hitting the streets in style, pink hair and all, because mobility can be bold, bright, and totally fabulous. Welcome to my world. Let's ride.
So we're going to take a ride through Parque de Elche this evening. Pretty busy. Beautiful time of evening. I tell you what, I wish I could bring my bed out here. So nice and cool compared to the heat at night in my bedroom. Unbearable. All the fountains lit up. The doves are all sat in the trees out the way. Still people about. Little wooden train there for the kids. And a wooden pirate boat. And the little roundabout. Oh, how I wish I was a kid. I'd be on all these. Even a little wooden Ferris wheel wound up by his hands. Cool. Brilliant. A beautiful evening. Even got a lady doing the braiding. Any trouble with filming by hand, your hand gets tired. Oh, she's pretty busy down here tonight. This lovely silver lady. Put some money in a cup and she'll move for you.
Tulipan.
I don't know, but I think she was getting chatted up. beautiful photo opportunities as well. So we've got the outside gym. Hotel in the distance, all lit up. Next to that, we've got the Hotel Bali. And then in the distance, you just about to see the Intempo building. Of course, you come to the end of Elche Park and you come out onto Poniente Beach. Slightly quieter side of Benidorm, a little bit more Spanish compared to the other side of town, the Poniente Beach, that's a bit more English. It is absolutely packed with people out strolling. Crazy. Beautiful summer's evening. Could be better than sitting in a bar, having a nice cold one. Or even down on the beach. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Please hit the like, hit the share, hit subscribe, guys, and I will see you on the next video. Keep watching, be more to come. I'll just leave you the beautiful Benidorm skyline at night.